In today's video, let me show you how to fix Discord Nitro not activating. Now, if you're facing this issue, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you are using the correct account where the subscription was made. So if you're not using the correct account, this might be causing the issue. But however, if this is not the case for you, then what you can do is check from the desktop or the web version. So from the mobile application or using a desktop, open up the desktop app or just open up a web browser, search for discord.com and try to see if it is working on the web version. If it is working on the web version or the desktop version, this simply means that it is failing to sync within your mobile application. So in this situation, what happens is often when you log into the web version, it forces the subscription to activate. So once you do log into your web version, this issue should be resolved. Now, even after trying both of these steps, you're still having issues. This could likely be happening due to app glitches or app cache. So what you can do in this situation is just tap and hold the application of Discord, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache being displayed. Simply tap on it, make sure you remove the application from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is resolved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.